Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jessica. Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in today. Today's video is going to be a review of the new Colourpop BFF mascaras. Colourpop recently launched mascaras, and now you can do a full face using Colourpop makeup, which I think is so cool. And not only did they come out with a mascara, no, that would be too basic for Colourpop. They came out with colored mascaras. Spring is just, you know, a peek around the corner. She's right there. I have been wanting some color mascaras for a long time. I don't own any. I think I only own maybe a purple one, maybe. But I've always wanted to play around in some colored mascaras because I like to have a little bit of fun with my look, you know what I'm saying? Although I'm very basic when it comes to makeup, I love to have like that pop of color, that pop of fun, hence my, you know, holographic looking lipstick today. Okay, so this is the PR package that I received right here. It's super cute, very, very cute. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? And these are the mascaras inside. And you can just see how fun these mascaras are going to be just based off of the packaging. So this is a volumizing mascara. I'm actually wearing black on black. That is the name of the black one. There are 7 mascaras in this collection, 1 basic black, and then the rest are fun colors. And I'm going to tell you how I feel about her just in a second. I swatched every single one, so I'm going to show you guys how they look on my skin tone because I am a deeper complexion. You want to see how colored mascara looks on someone deep. I'm your girl. I think makeup should be fun, and I'm so excited to test this out for you guys and to give you guys my final thoughts on the product, to tell you guys if it's something that you should purchase. Let's go ahead and dive into this video. About black on black, which is the basic black mascara. As I mentioned, this is a volumizing mascara. Here she is. This is her wand. It's very, very thick. If I were to compare her to a mascara that I already use, I would definitely compare this wand to the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, which you guys know if you follow me. That is one of my favorite mascaras because it definitely lengthens, volumizes your lashes, takes it from 0 to 100 real quick. And they both definitely have that thick wand, as you can see. I definitely feel like it gave me volume, it gave me length, but I will say that this is a very messy mascara. Now, the Better Than Sex mascara is also messy, but I'm used to messy mascaras because I use a volumizing mascara to give me that volume, obviously, in length. So it's not something that kind of is a downfall or a con to me, only because I'm used to that formula. I'm used to thick wands. However, if you are new to volumizing mascaras or you aren't that good at applying mascara, you might have a little tricky issue with this one, just a little bit, because it does get messy. So I will just say maybe have some Q-tips on standby, some micellar water on standby to help you remove or correct any like mishaps that you might have by applying it. But I think if you're very careful applying this product, you won't have too many issues, you know, dealing with it. But definitely it is kind of a messy mascara, but if you're used to the Better Than Sex wand, you will have no issues with this. So this is black on black, black on black on black on black. Yellow Goodbye. The names are really cute. I love the names of these mascaras. This is Yellow Goodbye. Girl, she is yellow, okay? Big Bird in the house. What's up? This one was a little tricky for me. I've never worn a yellow mascara ever. I honestly was a little bit afraid of how I would look. Like, what are we trying to accomplish? Honestly, I think with the right aesthetic, the right outfit, the right vibe and look that I'm going for, I would definitely wear this, especially for spring. You know, you just hit them with something different. They're expecting you to wear black mascara and you come in with yellow. I think she can be very, very cute with the right makeup look, and definitely something just basic, like a basic look. Very like a glossy lid and like a glossy lip and just very skin focused. And then bam, a pop of yellow mascara. Girl, you're set for spring. You're set. I did like the color. I felt like this one popped a little bit more on my lashes, but yeah, I really did like this one. It wasn't my favorite color, but it surprised me at not being something that I completely dislike, because I kind of like it. And I think if I were to do it with the right look, I'm gonna love it. Okay, so pink ink is pink, duh. Again with that big wand. Pink ink, how do I like the color? I think the color is really flattering, especially for deeper skin tones. It's a pink that I definitely feel flatters deeper skin tones. Honestly, I feel like the deeper you are, the more it'll pop. That's just my opinion. If you're more fair, I feel like it'll be a little bit more darker on you. Yeah, so that's just my thoughts on the color. I really liked it on myself. However, I would use this with a primer just to make the color pop a little bit more. So like a lash primer, hence the L'Oreal mascara primer that I normally use, which is bomb. So if you don't have it, go get it. I feel like if you have dark lashes, it appears a little bit more darker and not as vibrant on you. But if you were to put like a primer, like a base primer on top, then I think it will pop a little bit more. But I did enjoy this color. How did I take it off? I used micellar water. I used the just whatever micellar water you have. I used the Garnier one, and that worked perfectly at removing it. It wasn't that hard. We have Blew Your Mind, and I love how right here it says mind blown, okay? Because low-key and seriously, my mind was blown when I put this on. I don't know if I've ever tried a blue mascara. I think I have, but it just didn't do it for me. It wasn't as vibrant, it didn't pop. It was like you'd have to be in direct light to see the blue. This one, girl, here's her wand right here. She is an electric blue, and she is serving oceans, okay? I would have to say out of all the mascaras, Blew Your Mind was my favorite, and I cannot wait to wear her. I can't wait to wear her with like a bold, just electrifying red lip. I think it will complement it really, really well. This was just my favorite mascara. It applied very well. Honestly, I have to say, I feel like each mascara, especially the color ones, they apply differently. I feel like this one was very like subtle. It didn't do a lot of volume, but it gave me some volume. It wasn't like it wasn't there, but I felt like compared to the Yellow Mellow, is that what it's called? I believe it's Yellow Mellow. That one was like bam. Like the volume in that one was just intense, whereas this one was a little bit more subtle. So that's kind of weird. You know, I would wear her with a primer to really get that volume that I'm looking for. But even without a primer, she still gives volume. But I'm just here for the color, okay? This electric blue. If I had to recommend any of the mascaras, Blew Your Mind is one that you need to get your hands on. It's so gorgeous, and I think it'll flatter any skin tone. So if you're deep like me and you were just like, I don't think color mascaras would flatter my skin tone, sis, I need you to wake up. Blew Your Mind, it's your color, sis. It's your color. next we have Left on Red, which is red. All right, little backstory about my obsession with red mascara. Actually, I saw this photo. If I can find it, I'll put it in the video. But it was about a while back, and I believe Solange had wore this red mascara, and I was like, bro, where did she get that from? It was so gorgeous on her, and it was just like everything else on her was very just like basic, clean, and then bam, a bold, bright, and I was like, that is so cool. But I could never find a red mascara until Colourpop came and blessed my life. Left on Red is so gorgeous. I love this one. Again, with the formula, I felt like this one was not as volumizing as the yellow one. To me, the yellow one was the most volumizing besides the black. The black and the yellow one were the most volumizing. I don't understand that, but just in my personal opinion, I just kind of felt that way. Left on Red, however, was striking, like super gorgeous. This is one that I would definitely use with a primer to really make it pop, to really make those lashes stand out, to just give it something to stick to. And I love this color so much. It's one of those unexpected makeup looks that, you know, you don't normally see people walking down the street with red mascara like, what's up? You don't normally see that, but I feel like makeup should be fun, and like there does not have to be a special occasion for you to wear colored mascara. It really doesn't. Prose. This one is definitely a purple. Now, it's not the typical purple that I'm used to seeing and that I've tried in the past. I have tried purples. The purples that I've tried in the past are a little bit more deeper, more richer. This one is like a, God, how do I describe it? It's like a purple. It's like maybe like a neonish purple. It's definitely not lavender, and it's, well, you know what? It kind of does remind me of a lavender. It kind of reminds me of lavender, but it's a cute one. I thought I would like this one more than I actually did. I don't hate it, but I'm not in love with this particular color, at least not on my skin tone. I would like for it to be a little bit more richer, deeper, but this one is like purple. However, I like it, and depending on your skin tone, I think it varies. So I think on someone super deep, it will be bomb on them because it'll just be like bam. And I think on someone fair, it definitely will pop. I would say if you like purple, definitely give this one a try. It wasn't my favorite, but you may like it. So yeah, check it out, try her out. This one. Next we have Kiss and Teal. Get it? Kiss and Teal. This is the one. This is the color. Now, initially I thought I would hate this one, but it wasn't too bad. I think with the right look, again, this is another one that I would enjoy. It wasn't a favorite, but it wasn't a least favorite either. You see that? It's super just bam, electric. So definitely we need to wear this with the right look. I really do like this one, especially for spring. One of those, you know, maybe I just want to do an editorial look just out of the blue. I don't know. I'm not going nowhere. But if I wanted to try something different, definitely would try this one out. All right, so those were all the mascaras. I really enjoyed them. Again, my favorite was the blue one, the red one, and the black. I was surprised with the black because, no shade, Colourpop comes through all the time. They come through, okay? They're one of my favorite affordable makeup brands. But mascara, sometimes I have been bamboozled in the past that when companies claim that a mascara is volumizing, It just don't be like that at all, you know, and I'm left feeling very sad and disappointed. And then I have to go to Sephora or somewhere and spend $20-something on a mascara to actually do what it's supposed to do. These retail for $8, so if you're looking for an inexpensive volumizing mascara, this is your go-to. I mean, check her out. I think that is all. I hope this review was helpful for you guys. If you wanted to see how these colored mascaras look on, you know, a regular person, be sure to share this video with a fellow makeup lover, you know, one of your friends, family members, whomever. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And after you subscribe, or if you already are subscribed, turn on that post notification, that bell, so you're notified every time I upload my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.